Hello everyone, welcome to Renewal Mirror. We are live from Renewx 2025 ninth edition of Renewx, which is happening in Chennai for the very first time. And today we are here at the stall of PV Billing for having a thoughtful conversation. Welcome to Renewal Mirror, ma'am. So ma'am, can you please tell us about the technical specifications of this particular product that is displayed on the backdrop?
Yes, sure. As we have launched this smart switch in last REI also, our main purpose to launch this is Kusum C. There is one project of Kusum C in which they are facing some problems. So we have developed this smart switch, which is a switch you can use in auto switch on between on grid and off grid. And whenever there is no grid and no sunlight, you can use this switch as a auto switch over, and you can run your pump as well in for farmers and all. And also there are many other benefits also, like you can give your data to MNRE portal also, and you can run online also. You can do auto on and off through your mobile app also.
So as PV Blink is one of the leading brand in the energy storage solution, so what kind of experience your brand has so far in 2025, and what kind of 2025 is treating PV Blink in terms of business opportunities and collaboration?
In 2025 we have great experience in solar market, as we launched our product in end of the month of December of 2022, but we get very good response in 2025, and we have developed many areas which are not connected with us, like in all over India we have now our inverters supplied by us in many northeast region also, in southern region also, and in north and western region also. So it is a very good response. We received very good response from all over the India.
Ma'am, as Renewx 2025 is happening for the first time in Chennai region, so what kind of future outlook do you foresee in this particular region?
Yes, this time RenewX is happening in Chennai. So we receive many good response from southern region, like from Chennai itself also, and from AP and from Kerala also. We are receiving some new inquiries, and we are meeting some new clients. So yes, it will be the good for us for our new projection.